In this tutorial, we will explain how to download, install, and activate your Azor Match Analysis license. First, create your account at www.WePermedia.com. If you don't have an account yet, register for free. You will just need to provide your details and you will instantly receive a verification email that you will need to enter into the registration form. Once registration is complete, log in to your WePermedia account with the credentials you created. In your initial dashboard, you'll see the licenses you have active for both Azor Match Analysis and Cloud Lab. If you don't yet have an active license, don't worry. You can get a free 5-day trial. Go to the My Licenses section of Azor. Click on Activate at the top. The system will automatically assign you a trial license. Next, go to the Download section and select your preferred operating system. Complete the installation according to your operating system. Once the installation is complete, copy your license code and launch Azor Match Analysis. In the application, enter your email, password, and the previously copied license. Click Login with WePermedia and start enjoying your Azor Match Analysis sports analysis system. Don't forget to follow us to stay up to date with all the tutorials and news for your sports analysis software.